Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM programs. First one is Wrike and the second one is Jira. So we'll go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these products, and also at the end we'll try to find out which one is better from the other. So let's start with Wrike. An all-in-one project management tool that helps to organize your complex work easily and flexibly. It is ideal for remotely located teams, mid-sized organizations, and enterprise companies for managing teamwork and communicating with clients. With Wrike's collaboration features and customization tools, you will be able to manage teamwork better and finish your work sooner. It helps the team, leads and administrators, collecting projects, requirements, creating and assigning tasks, and visualizing schedules on the Gantt chart. Moreover, each team member will be aware of their work priorities with personal dashboard and real-time work updates, so that you will get an efficient and goal-oriented team. Wrike can be also very easily integrated with, for example, even Jira. So you can use tools like Zapier to achieve this goal. When we take a look or closer look into the UI of Wrike, we will see it's very very easy to read and easy to see, easy to navigate even. I wouldn't say that it's too hard to actually go through some training or advanced training, and everybody will be able to manage that. When we go to solutions, we can go through project managers, marketing, creative, professional services, product development, company-wide, and also there's way more that you can go through, and also cases and pricing. When we check the pricing, you can go with a plan for free, as a centralized task management. You'll get the demo for 30 days, I believe. Then professional, it's $9.8 a month. Business and enterprise. Obviously, the enterprise is for the biggest of the companies, where you'll be contacted by Wrike to tailor you the offer just for you. Then marketing and creative teams and service delivery teams. Also, you have to contact them first just to show you what is it all about. Then let's jump into Jira. Jira is an advanced project management solution helpful for agile teams. It helps developers plan, track, and release authentic softwares in real time. Detailed reports offered by the particular enables teams to improve their performance in an efficient manner. Inbuilt personalized Scrum boards let teams stay focused and deliver incremental and iterative value seamlessly. Users are also allowed to monitor repositories with code in Jira, gain end-to-end visibility, and generate automation rules of their own. The software assures active integration with platforms like Confluence, Trello, Bitbucket, Zoom, Microsoft, Slack, etc. Further data stored within the particular is absolutely secure, protected by enterprise-grade solutions like automatic user provisioning, SMAL, SSO, two-step verification, and more. Jira turns out to be more than an issue or a bug tracker by hosting a variety of functionalities like custom filters, rich APIs, integration facilities for developer tools, customizable workflows, and more. Users can personalize Jira as per their own needs by incorporating more than 3,000 apps within it. I would have to say that both of Wrike and of course Jira are very good CRM softwares. But I would say that Jira is way harder to operate. So if you're a smaller team, you will have to basically rely more on Wrike if you're deciding between those two. In my opinion, Asana would be like the best suit for you in those cases. But you can also integrate Jira with Wrike, for example. So it's completely up to you. But I don't think that any of those really excels and it's easiest to teach in the industry. So let's check the plans. Obviously, they got a free trial or freemium. Then the standard one, starting at $7 per user a month, premium $14 user a month, and the server. I would actually advise you to go at least with a premium. If we are talking about CRM and not the data center, because this is just somewhere else. It's a little bit more pricier, but I can't even really say that it's the right choice to do. You can compare them. It's not that hard, but both of them are very close to confusing. There are way easier CRM tools out there, for example, Monday or ClickUp, Trello, or Asana. We covered them in our videos as well, where you can basically save up money and feel like you are part of something, like a smaller team maybe. If you are a smaller company, if you are an enterprise that is looking for a complete solution, Jira is the one for you, because they are even providing a server help. And also you can have everything under one roof. You don't get that with Wrike. So if you're a big company, check Jira out if you have a lot of people working behind desks. Jira may be the option for you. It's really hard to compare them though. I wouldn't pick any from those. I would, as I said, go with Asana, and we don't have the paid sponsorship or anything. Just straight away, my point of view. So if you have any more questions, please leave them underneath this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.